Hi friends, myself Libin. Today I am going to explain about price action trading in Nifty and Banknifty. So by using price action trading, we can trade in Nifty and Banknifty. So only thing is that we have to identify the previous day high and low. So based on that we can take a decision and we can take a trade in Nifty and Banknifty. So everything I will be sharing through this video. So watch completely this video, then only you will be getting a better idea on price action trading. Okay, before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon so that you will be getting notification immediately if I upload any new videos. And the same way, like those who are interested to learn more about market, you can visit my YouTube channel Libin and you can see a lot of videos related to market. So those who are interested to learn more about intraday or delivery or margin, all those things I have updated in my YouTube channel. So you can visit my YouTube channel and you can learn more about market. Okay, let us come to the topic. So today I am going to explain about price action trading in Nifty and Banknifty. So the first thing we have to identify the previous day high and low. So first I will show you that how we can identify the previous day low and high. So first I will remove my settings. Okay. So yesterday it was 18th November. So 18th November we have to identify what is the high of Nifty and what is the low of Nifty. So we have to mark that. Okay. So here you can see there is a arrow here. Okay. Just click on this arrow. So once you click on this arrow, you can see there is a horizontal line. So just click on the horizontal line and you can see there is a blue dot line. Okay. So just go to the blue dot line and identify which is the high of previous day. So 18th you can see this was the high area. So just mark here. So here you can see this area was the yesterday's closing area. So this was the high area of Nifty yesterday. And if you see this area and all, there is no high. So this is the area we have to mark as high. And low we have to identify. So here you can see there is a low area. So again what you have to do means you have to go to the horizontal line and we have to identify the low area. So here you can see this is the low area. So just identify the high and low of Nifty. So once you identify the high and low, we can take a trade on the next day. So yesterday it was 18th November and now we are going to trade on the 19th November. So based on this price action trading, this is purely into price action trading. Okay, because we will not be using any indicator here. Only we will be using support and resistance. So support and resistance also very important, like when you are doing price action trading. Like if the support is very near, we have to wait until it has to cross. Okay, now let us go to the 19th. Okay, so this is the today's date. So here you can see the date here. So here you can see the date of today's date. So today is 19th November. So if you come to 19th November, so you can see like Nifty was opened today with a huge fall. So the exactly fall you can see like it was from the previous day high. So the previous day high was not broken and the market was open like more than 100 points down. So don't take an entry like by seeing 100 points because like there is a down, the bottom is almost touched there. So there is a chances to go upside. So avoid entries like if the market is opening like in a huge gap up or gap down. So that time we have to wait until we get a confirmation. So morning like the market was opened like with a huge gap down. So we did not take an entry there. And after that immediately you can see here this area you can see the Nifty was come up and it was touched the previous day high and it is not breaking. Here you can see clearly it is not breaking and when it is breaking also you have to be very careful, like you have to see there is any resistance or support is there. So if you see there immediately you can see there is a resistance area. So that resistance area has to cross, then only we can expect that the Nifty will be going upside. So today you can see like as I mentioned today you can see this area 12,960 was today's resistance. And if you see this area, the high was not broken properly. Only thing is that there is a resistance as well as. If the resistance is breaking, then the Nifty will be going upside. Then we can take an entry because the high was broken. And next thing is that we have to see the resistance also. Like if the resistance are nearby, if the resistance or support is nearby that, we have to wait until it has to cross, because it can take support or resistance there. So this area also is very important. Like when we are going for an entry, we have to see the support and resistance. So after that, you can see like this area we have taken a trade. Okay, so this was the area we have taken one trade, because the previous day high was broken and it was going down, so we could book a profit here. And again you can see that after that again it is going to the upside, and you can see there is a resistance. So this area was a resistance area. You can see like this is the current day resistance. So always it will be respecting the support and resistance. Like if the support or resistance is nearby that, we have to wait until it breaks. So if it is breaking here, if candles are forming above this, then we can go for a C side. If the candles are forming below this, then we have to go for a P side. So always like when we are selecting the C or P, always try to select nearby the strike rate, like 50 range or 50 to 100 range Nifty you have to select. Then only you will be getting a movement. Like some are trading maybe 2 rupees, 3 rupees, but there you won't be getting much movement. So always try to select nearby the strike rate. And in my group also, in my Telegram group also, I have mentioned we have to wait until the previous day high has to break. Then only we can go for a P side. So I have in group also I have mentioned. So in the group I have mentioned 12,942 has to break. Then only we can go for a P side. And exactly you can see this area. You can see the previous day high was broken downside, and that is the reason we have entered into a P. And I was given a target also. We can expect 12,840, and exactly you can see the fall was, you can see exactly from there. So if the previous day high is not breaking, and if the red candles are forming just below this, okay, like first candle itself, we can take an entry, and our stop loss will be. So first candle itself we can take an entry, and our stop loss will be above the previous day high. So like maximum 5 to 10 points you can maintain above the previous day high. So it is not going to be there. You can see that after that, after a proper fall, you can see that there is not going to that level. And you can see this was the current as support, and support also breaking, then it will be going down. So this is the second entry also we can take in Nifty. And again we can take one more entry also. So this is the area I was telling, like previous day low. So this is the previous day low. Okay, here you can see this is the area I have marked. So if the previous day low also is breaking, then also we can go for an entry. So always we have to see like whether it is breaking previous day high or low. If the high is breaking, then we can go for a C side, and if the low is breaking, again we can go for a P side. And here if you see like first candle itself, we can take an entry here, and you can keep a stop loss also here. And after that you can see like if you see here, there is exact fall from year to year. So almost you can see like almost 80 points movement is happened after the previous day low is broken. So this is how we have to identify. Like price action trading will be like, it is like purely into price action, like based on the price movement only we can identify, because we will not be using any indicator. Only thing is that we will be seeing the support and resistance. If support is nearby that, we have to be little careful. Like when you are taking an entry, if the support is nearby that, we have to wait until that has to break. Even in the downside also, if there is a support, we have to wait that to break, then only we can take an entry. So this is how price action trading is working. So now let us see the Banknifty also. Okay, now let us go to Banknifty. So this is Banknifty chart today. So same thing, okay, like yesterday's high and low we have to mark, and this area you can see this area is yesterday's high, and low you can see this is the area. Okay, so this area is yesterday's low, because this area only it is open. So first thing is that we have to mark the low and high. Like if you want to trade for tomorrow, so today's high and low you have to mark. Then based on that only we have to take a trade. Like the previous day, like if you are trading today, yesterday's day low and high you have to take. For tomorrow, the current day you have to mark and keep it ready by today. Then tomorrow morning itself, you know, like how the market is going to react. So based on that only we have to take an entry. And again, if you come to the 19th November, okay, so this is the area we can see 19th November. Okay, now let us come to the 19th November. So 19th November, if you see the opening itself, it is not breaking the day high. Like as previous day high, it is not broken. It means the chances is that it will be falling down. And until it breaks the previous day high, then only we can expect that the market will be going upside today. If it is breaking low, then it means that there is a resistance is taking on the previous day high. And the chances of fall down is there. Okay, so exactly you can see there is a fall from the previous day high, and we can take an entry also, like we have to wait until the day high or low has to break, then only we can take an entry. If you see this area, there is no proper entry, right? So it is going like a sideways, so we have to wait for an opportunity. And if you see the opportunities here, you can see at the end of the time, you can see here only the major fall was happened. So the first candle itself we can take an entry. So this is the yesterday's low, and yesterday's low you can see like yesterday's low is broken here with a red candle, and you can take a PE call here, and your stop loss will be like 10 to 30 points you can maintain, like based on the options. Okay, like if you are going with the 200 range, then you have to maintain maybe 30 to 40 points stop loss. If you are going with 100 rupees, then the maximum 20 to 25 stop loss is more than enough. Okay, like based on the strike rate, you have to maintain the stop loss also. Like if you go with the 500 and all, you may have to maintain maybe 50 to 100 points stop loss. So after that, if you see exactly with the first candle, you can see the fall, and your stop loss will be here, and you can see like it is going to the next support area. So that is how we can, from here you can, if you see like almost 400 points fall from here. Okay, exactly 400 points. So if you trade like even 100 rupees also, you'll be getting like more than 100 to 150 points profit you can make from here. So this is how we have to identify. So the day low and high is very important. Like the previous day itself, we have to identify the low and high. So based on that only we can take a trade. So this will be working for all the things. So like if you go with stocks or commodities, so everywhere we can apply price action trading. So this is one of the most important technique we can use for our intraday trading. And now I will show you my Telegram channel also, like what are the calls I have provided, and how and those who are interested to join my Telegram channel, you can join there. So this is completely free. Okay, I will be giving like complete training also. Apart from that, I will be giving you each level where we have to take entry. Everything I will be providing there. So now let us see my Telegram channel. Okay, now let us come to our Telegram channel. So this is my Telegram channel. Like those who are interested to learn more about market, you can join this channel, and this channel is completely free. Okay, like those who are interested to learn and those who want to apply any strategy, so everything I'll be sharing through this channel. So those who are interested to join, the link I have mentioned in the description. So you can go to my description and you can join this group. And here you can see like early morning itself I was given what is Nifty support and resistance. So all those things I'll be providing in this channel. So after that, you can see like I was expecting like if the previous day is not broken, then we can expect a fall from there. So everything I will be clearly mentioning. So you can see here, so all those things you can see here, like this is the area we have taken as I was mentioned in the resistance area. So 12,960 was today's resistance, and if it is not broken, we can expect a fall from there. So that is what we have seen today. So that exactly it was gone to that area. From there we have seen a huge fall from there. So exactly you can see here, I told you we have to wait for the second candle, then we can go for a P side. And again you can see like all the levels I will be providing here, like we can expect a huge fall again. And exactly you can see like this is the entry point I have mentioned. Okay, as I told, this is a previous day high. If the previous day high is broken, we can expect for a downside fall. And exactly you can see in this chart also, the previous day high you can see here, it is marked here, and the same way the previous day high was broken and suddenly the fall was started from there. So you can see like the next support was there, and I was given the current day support was 12,800, and that level also you can see it, that level is touched there. Here you can see it is almost touched there. So after that again I was given the next support level. So this level also you can see that level also is done today. So this is providing like all the support level and what is the entry point, where we have to take an entry and where we can get a breakout. So all those things I will be sharing in this group, and you can see like the profit of like what I have traded today, and you can see like a lot of people who are traded here. So you can see like what are the profit the people are enjoying here. Like those who are already in this group, they are making like lot of profit. You can see here like what are the profit they are booking. So all the updates you will be getting in this group. So this group is absolutely a free group. Like those who are interested to join this group, you can join. The link I have mentioned in the description. And the same way, like those who are interested to open an account in Angel Broking or Alice Blue, you can open the account. The link I have mentioned in the description. So you can go to my description and you can open an account in Angel Broking or Alice Blue. And the same way, those who are interested to join this group, you can join this group. So all the links I have mentioned in the description. So hope today's topic is clear. If you need any clarification related to this topic, you can comment below this video. And the same way, like you can share this video to your friends who are interested in trading. So kindly subscribe, like, share. Thanks for watching.